All right, if you are looking for a way to take old sticking patterns, old linear drum fills with which you are already intimately familiar and express them in a new way on the drums, then you're watching the right video. Today, we focus on new drum fill concepts. If you like that, remember to like and subscribe, to come back every Tuesday to get more content just like this. I've taught well over 1,000 drum lessons to people just like you, and I can show you too. I'm Gabriel, and you are watching the YouTube channel of DrumTipTuesday.com. All right, getting into this thing. What is so new about this information that I'm going to provide in this video that you haven't thought of before? I don't really think that it's something that's entirely new, and as I start getting into it, you might say, well, I've thought about that, but I hardly think that most of us have spent enough serious time applying these techniques in a matter of like composing drum fills. All right, I'll tell you what I mean. We're going to take some simple material and we're going to run it through two otherwise simple compositional techniques. The first one is going to be expansion, right? The next one, and we'll talk more about these in detail, is going to be contraction, all right? So, how do we go about doing this? We have to establish a method. Our method is going to have 4 parts. First things first, we're going to come up with some material. I chose, what did I choose? Right, kick, right, left, kick, kick. That's what I did. And the first thing that you do is you get on your drums, take your simple right kick, right, left, kick, kick. I chose a 6-note phrase. I'll tell you why in a minute. And they just want to take that and move that around the drums. Now notice in this next example how I do that. I don't have a steady time, but you can definitely hear, at first I try to take it and play it like it's triplets, right? It's 6 notes, divide that in half, 3, real nice and even there. I just try to play it like even triplets. Then I take a little pause, and then I come back, change my mind, and I try to play them like they were 16th notes. And if memory serves me correctly in this example, I also try to play them like a drum fill, and then I try to play it like time, but the time is kind of like a 6/8 backbeat thing. Anyways, you'll see it. Let's take a look at that right now. All right, now what we need to do is get more specific. After all that fooling around, we want to start zeroing in on something here so that we can use it in a way that's articulate and thoughtful. How are we going to do that? Let's look at our expansion. How are we going to expand a phrase? What you do is you take something and first put it in a relatively small or short note value. And then you play the exact same phrase with a larger note value. Take a look at this. Boom, that music right there. The first thing I do is I take our right kick, right, left, kick, kick, and I play it as sextuplets. I do that on beat 1. I do that on beat 2. And each time I do that, it takes up one whole beat. Then on beat 3, I expand, right? I expand the phrase by slowing down the note value, and it takes a beat and a half. Okay? So it goes from one beat to a beat and a half. I therefore expanded the linear phrase. And let's take a look at what that sounds like with some time. And now, you guessed it, right? Instead of expanding it, what are we going to do? We're going to contract it. We're going to take the same sort of method, but in reverse. Very specifically in this example, as you can see, I play it as 16th notes. It takes a beat and a half, and because I play it one time, it takes a beat and a half. When I contract it, it starts on the and of 2, and I play it twice. And once it starts on the and of 2, the next time, let's make sure. Yep, starts on the and of 3. Yep, starts on the and of 3, right? So you get the phrase one time as 16th notes for a beat and a half, then you get it twice as sextuplets. Let's take a look at what that sounds like. But before we go on, a question. Who is your favorite composer? Classical, jazz, or otherwise? No wrong answer. Comment below. Okay, now, you guessed it. We're going to put it all together. You're going to play some time. You're going to play the phrase, expand it, play some time, play the phrase, contract it, play some time. As long as you're playing in time and giving yourself a sort of framework, this works to deepen your understanding of the concepts of expansion and contraction, right? So play them as fills, play them as the time. I think even in there, I don't know if I'm going to leave this in, but I tried to play it as like 30-second notes really fast. It's a little too fast for me. I might leave it in. Let's take a look, let's take a listen rather, to me playing this sort of thing and improvising and using these new concepts as a way to express on the drums some old material. And if you enjoy the content that I share here on YouTube, consider clicking the link in the description to subscribe to DrumTipTuesday.com. There you will find in-depth coursework, masterclasses, and drumless practice tracks that I only share on DrumTipTuesday.com. And as always, remember to like, subscribe, and check out one of these videos next.